Hi everyone. Let's start with the next section, scripts for power users. This section will help power users to get an idea on how to perform certain tasks with shell scripts. These tasks include creating Syslog entries using the logger command, taking backups, and some more. In this section, we're going to discuss the Syslog protocol. We'll also learn about the logger command, which is a shell command and acts as an interface for the Syslog module. The logger command makes entries in the system log. In this section, we are also going to create an alarm using a script. We will begin with the first video that deals with creating Syslog entries and generating an alarm. Besides having a terminal open, make sure that we have a file to make an entry. We are going to use the logger command to enter file name into the syslog file. This file is located in the log directory of the var folder of your system. You can check that file by navigating to the log directory and run this command that you see in this overlay, and you will find the entry. Next, we will write a script to create an alarm. For that, we will navigate to the code editor. Here, we need to create a new file named create_alarm.sh. In our case, we have already created the file. Let's open it. In this file, we will add the related code. Let's understand the code. We will use the date command for the date and time. Also, we will use the sleep command to block the alarm for that particular time. It's time to look at the output. For that, let's switch back to the terminal and execute the script file using the bash command. Here, we will answer the question that are being asked. That way, you will get to see the desired result. That's all for this video.